In this video, I wanted to show you guys the Airrobo T10 Plus, which has become one of my favorite robot vacuum cleaners I've tested so far. It can vacuum, mop, clean itself thanks to the supplied automatic dirt disposal charging base, and do a lot more as it is packed with the latest sensors and technology. The device ships in quite a nice box, and inside of it, all of the items are packed neatly. You get everything you need to get started, including a remote control with batteries, some paperwork, mopping bracket, an extra side brush, a few dust bags, and a bunch of disposable mops. Before we start talking about the performance and features, let's take a look at the design. The T10 Plus sports quite a typical robot vacuum cleaner design, but at the same time it is one of the sleekest looking devices in its category. It is made out of plastic, but the build quality is very good. Even though the glossy plastic finish attracts fingerprints and smudges easily, the robot looks nice overall. On the top we have a power and a home key, and on the bottom you can find a set of wheels and brushes. On the front side, the robot has rubber padding that works in tandem with the suspension system to reduce bumps and shakes. On the back side, you can easily take out the 2-in-1 dust and water compartment. The dustbin has a large capacity of 300 mm, and the water compartment has the capacity of 250 mm. In order to start mopping, you need to install the supplied mopping bracket that can be done very easily and fill up the tank with water. You can forget about emptying the dustbin for about 45 days thanks to the automatic dirt disposal charging base that stores 3.3 liters replaceable dustbin. This base has a few nice design touches too. It's got an LCD display that shows the essential information like battery charging and dust collecting status. I also like the built-in cable management system, meaning that you can hide the cable inside the base. You can start cleaning by pressing the hardware button, but if you want to unleash the full potential of the device, I suggest you download the Tuya Smart app that offers a ton of features. Within the app, you can start or pause cleaning, send the robot to the dock, see where the robot is in real time, adjust the water level and the suction power, and so on. I set it to the maximum for the best performance and for the purposes of this review, so you can better see the results on camera. Keep in mind that the maximum suction power drains more power and makes more noise, but I always prefer the best performance. You can also schedule cleaning, control the device manually with the remote control, find the robot, see cleaning history, and so on and so forth. I mostly use the auto cleaning feature, but you can use pin and go if you want to clean a particular spot or choose zone or room cleaning. You can also divide your home into areas and tell the robot where to go or not to go by adding areas or drawing virtual walls. Further, you can edit each room individually if you wish so. That is really smart and practical. For instance, cheaper vacuums require you to use magnetic stripes, which you need to lay down yourself. That is extra time and effort. For the purposes of this review, I've drawn quite a lot of virtual walls so I can easier capture the movement of the robot on camera. The supplied remote control allows you to control the robot manually. You can also do that using the app, but honestly, I never use this feature as the auto mode does everything for you. The performance is the most important feature of each vacuum cleaner, and I think that the Airrobo T10 Plus is one of the best in this department. It sucks up all the dirt very well thanks to the maximum suction power of 2700 PA, and it never leaves dirty spots uncleaned thanks to the combination of precision laser mapping and advanced navigation. This device uses LiDAR navigation, SLAM algorithms, and 23 sets of sensors, which is a rare combination in this price segment. Obviously, you need to pick up all the cables and other similar stuff before you start using the robot for the best performance. Moreover, I found obstacle avoidance to be pretty good overall, especially when the robot has drawn the map of your apartment or home after the first cleaning session. In addition to this, mopping performance is one of the best I've seen, and you can control the water flow within the app. You can choose between low, middle, and high 3-stage water levels to adjust the water flow through the electric water tank. I believe the highest level uses too much water for my needs, but I kept it on purpose so you can better see it on camera. In practice, a low level is more than enough, especially for a wooden floor. The robot finds its charging dock without any issues and it cleans itself automatically. The cleaning process may be a little bit loud, but it takes just about 5 or 7 seconds. Hear it yourself.
Starting to collect dust. Dust collection has been completed. Charging.
The battery life has been really impressive too. You can get up to 250 minutes or up to 160 square meters out of this robot. I live in a much smaller apartment, so there is always more than 50% battery left when the robot is done cleaning, and that is on the maximum suction power setting. If you live in a larger home, the robot returns to the base when the battery is low, recharges itself, and picks up where it left off. After using the Airrobo T10 Plus robot vacuum for quite some time now, I can easily say this is one of the best devices in its category. I honestly can't think of any shortcomings yet, as the vacuuming and mopping performance have been great, the application is loaded with features, the device has no issues finding its charging station even if it is in a different room, and automatic dirt disposal charging base gives you a peace of mind for at least 45 days. Overall, I'm really happy with the Airrobo T10 Plus. Therefore, I can easily recommend it as one of the best robot vacuum cleaners you can get at the moment. What do you think about this robot vacuum cleaner? Would you choose this one or would you choose an alternative option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.